H&M recently released their holiday collection, which includes everything we need to get ready for the party season: dresses, accessories, shoes, all the things. I really wanted to get my hands on quite a few of these pieces because I wanted to feel what they were like in person, and so I took a trip in store and I was able to check out some of the main pieces that I had my eye on. In today's video, I wanted to go through all the pieces that I think are the best from the collection and what I'd recommend picking up if you can get your hands on it. So the main reason I went in store was to check out the dress called the fringe hem mini dress. It is like an A-line dress with some fringing on the bottom of it. And if you guys have seen any of my recent videos, you guys will see that I think I'm developing a little obsession with the Alaya fur sets that they have. And so as soon as I saw this dress, it really said Alaya to me. And I was like, I actually might need this. And especially for $69.99, I thought that it was a decent price. It looks expensive to me. This holiday collection overall, I think they've done a really good with the taste level. Everything looks more expensive than what it's listed for. I could very easily see this dress listed for like £100. Very easily. So I wanted to go in and have a look at it. Online it's sold out, but I was able to get my hands on it in store. I was able to get a feel of the dress. If it's not obvious, this dress has no stretch to it, so it kind of feels like the material of like a suit jacket, and then the fringing actually feels a bit like strips of paper. It's not very thick. It's quite light and thin. I don't necessarily even think that you'd get super hot in this, and I don't think you're at risk of losing any of the fringing. One of my thoughts were whether it would shed, and I don't think that it would. They didn't have many of these in stores, so I'm not sure how easy it would be for you guys to get your hands on this dress, but I definitely think it's worth checking out maybe a couple of your local stores to see if they still have it out. I think of the collection, this is probably one of the items that was more popular. It is a short dress, but you guys know I'm 6 foot, so I'm quite tall, and I did hold the dress up against me, and I don't think that you would have any trouble with this dress being too short. You know, you want it to be mini, but not super mini, especially if you're wearing it to something like a work party or something like that. So this dress is still very high up on my list of top picks for this collection. I just think it looks really expensive, and it's very, very cute. One of the things that surprised me that I was able to see in store, again, they didn't have my size. I think that's one thing to bear in mind. A lot of these items are sold out online. I would say to manage your expectations when you're going in store, because I wasn't actually able to pick up anything that I wanted. They just had really limited sizing. So I didn't really have on my list this rhinestone embellished jacket until I saw it in person. Guys, this jacket is so nice in person. I really don't think that the photographs do it much justice. It's modelled with a pair of trousers. I thought like it looks okay, but I wasn't really 100% sure about the embellishment on it. It kind of just looked okay, but I would say that this jacket is probably one of their standout pieces. If you see this in person, the way that this is cut at the waist, it's giving hourglass blazer. Okay, and you guys know I love those. So it's kind of giving hourglass blazer. It's very nipped in at the waist. It kind of has these funnel sleeves that's very popular at the moment. You know, it's a bit exaggerated over the arms, and the embellishments on it are actually quite subtle. I was kind of thinking to myself with an embellished blazer, because they have another one that I'll show you guys in a minute. But with an embellished blazer, I was kind of thinking like, is it too seasonal? Like I'm only going to be able to wear this during party season, because otherwise I'm just going to look like a Christmas tree. And with party season collection, sometimes it can just give that, like you're just going to put it out in the last week of December and you're never going to look at it again. But I definitely think that this jacket is one that you could probably wear during other times as well, depending on your style. It's only $74.99, and I say only because I definitely think they could have listed it for more. I think that they're doing pretty well with their prices, and it says that it's coming soon, which is also a part of why I didn't really give it too much attention when I was looking on the website. But it's already here, guys. It's in store, so check out your local store if you are looking for maybe a more dressy blazer. They do have another one called the embellished twill blazer. This is the blazer that I was looking at, that I was thinking I might want to get. The fringed hem dress and this blazer, I was thinking it looks so nice. I love a bit of embellishment that is mixed with pearls. This looks like it's mixed with pearls or different sized embellishments. It kind of just reminds me of like a skyline. It doesn't have pearls on it. It's like bigger silver embellishment mixed with smaller ones. This is sold out. I wasn't able to see it in store. It does come with a pair of shorts, and the shorts weren't in store either. So I'd imagine of everything, probably this is like one of the really, really popular items, if not the most popular. I could definitely see this blazer being versatile also, especially because the embellishments are just at the cuffs and the hem. So very, very, very nice. I think if you want this blazer, you're probably going to have to hold your breath or wait it out for someone to do a return or something like that. Something that shocked me actually, that was really, really nice, was this embellished bandeau top. And I did not go in to look at this top. It was not on my list of wants at all, actually. I did kind of see it on the website, but I didn't give it much attention. It's $39.99. And to me, it just looked like a longer lined corset style top. It does have embellishments at the bottom of it that I thought, well, I don't know, a bit underwhelming. I mean, it didn't really do anything for me when I saw it. I thought it was cute, right? But nothing major. I saw this in store, guys. This is beautiful. It is so, so nice. The embellishments being black kind of add a bit, what looks like a bit of texture to the top, right? But when you move it, it kind of adds texture and a bit of movement to it. It also looks expensive, more expensive than what it's listed for. I definitely think that this is a top that's maybe being a bit overlooked. I couldn't really figure out a need for this top. I am trying to be a bit more intentional with my shopping. It's quite formal. I definitely think you could pair this with like a pair of wide leg trousers or even a black skirt that kind of falls a bit lower than the top. So you'd kind of get a tiered look to your outfit, which I think would look really, 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 really nice. They also have a dress that has similar embellishments. It comes up really high at the neck up here, and it's got the embellishments at the top up here. I think I was also able to see this dress in store, and also very pretty. I prefer the top. I feel like the top really caught my eye more than the dress. But I think maybe their promo for these particular pieces didn't hit as much as the rest, which is why they still seem to be available online. But definitely worth trying out. If you were looking for maybe a more dressy corset top, I think it's worth giving it a go. Okay, next, I was able to see this bubble hem dress for $49.99. I did see this in store. They didn't have my size. I was kind of feeling like, could I have this as a runner-up to the fringe dress that I wasn't able to get? You know, bubble hems are very popular at the moment, so this dress is very, very trendy, and it's actually very cute. It looks beautiful on the model. For me, in person, it wasn't really given as much as I wanted it to in comparison to the fringe dress. I think between this and the fringe dress, I think the fringe dress is better. This is okay. It does have embellishment at the neck. I don't know, I don't really love. I kind of wish that, you know, on the suit jacket, they've got the embellishment that's in different sizes. I wish that they had put that exact same embellishment on the neck. I feel like that would have been stunning. But this kind of abstract black embellishment, kind of, it's not that it looks unfinished. I just wish that maybe they had put more of it, or made it stand out, or made it have a bit more dimension to it at the top. But otherwise, you know, it's a nice dress. It's not a bad dress at all. I just think that some of the other things in the collection are a bit nicer. I was also able to see this satin bandeau dress. Looks beautiful on the model. Actually, model looks beautiful in everything she tries on, this model. Very, very nice. It kind of reminds me of the wrapping they use on Christmas chocolates. So I thought it was really, really sweet when I saw it online. To me, it just looked like it would just be really super, super short. So I kind of just saw it, thought it was very, very cute. I love the kind of two-tone-ish finishing of it. Looks very, very nice, very festive. And I thought it was a reasonable price at $64.99. But when I saw it in store, it was even better, guys. It was better than I expected. It does look like it would be pretty short. They did not have my size. I wasn't able to try it on, unfortunately. But it is very, very pretty. If you're umming and erring about this dress, I'd recommend getting it and trying it. Of course, I'm not sure about the fit, but the look of the dress is very, very nice. They did have a few other things in store that I saw that didn't really move me much. One of those things was the rhinestone detailed tuxedo shirt. I did pass this shirt. It's cute, but ultimately it is just a shirt with with embellishments at the sleeve, which, okay, I know, duh, right? That's what it looks like. But what I mean is the shirt is not like super luxe quality or anything like that. It kind of just feels like your usual button-up material, cottonish material with more heavy embellishments at the sleeve. The embellishments at the sleeve are actually really nice. They don't look as though they move much or anything like that. They've done so well with all of their embellishments in this collection. Just the quality of them, the way that they are attached to the items. So if you wanted the shirt for the embellishment at the sleeves, then it's a yes. But if you thought that you were picking up like a super high quality shirt, I'd probably say you're probably not. They also had some other embellished pieces. They had like a embellished cardigan that had a bow in the middle. Didn't love it, guys. Gives super shiny, and I don't think super versatile either. I can see that it's sold out online, so maybe the girls love it, but I didn't really love it in store. It wasn't really my vibe. I did also get to see the bow detail velour shoes, which, you know, they don't have my size, so I wasn't able to try them on. They're okay. They had this pleated tall bandeau top in the window, and I also had no plans on giving this any of my attention. They had it in the window in a dark red. Guys, it's really nice. It gives very tutu. It was so nice. They had it in the window, but they did not have it in the shop. I can see that they've got it online. Actually, I might get this one in the black. If I do, I'll do a haul and I'll show you guys. But I was actually surprised at how cute this was. They also had some leather that I was able to see. Faux leather's super in, especially like what croc animal print-ish leather is very much in. So they did have a few of those pieces in store that I thought looked good quality as well. I really wanted to see this bow dress, this dress with the big bow at the front, in person, but they didn't have it in store, unfortunately, for me. They had loads of accessories though, so if you are looking for maybe one of their bracelets or their necklaces, then of everything, accessories is what they had most of. I was actually surprised at how much space they had in store for their Christmas edit. I went to the Westfield store. I'd probably say it's probably one of their larger stores. I definitely think if you have one of their more flagship larger stores near you, definitely will have a good chance at picking up something from their collection that I think you'd enjoy. H&M also announced last month that they were going to be re-releasing some of their pieces from their designer collaborations. I think the earliest collaboration that I picked up anything from was the Machino collaboration. I actually still have a few pieces from that collection in my wardrobe. So when they announced it, it kind of caught my eye a little bit. But I was reading up some of the descriptions and it was saying that it would basically be the reselling of some of the pieces from some of their collections. There have been a few collections since then that had pieces in that I wanted but I wasn't able to get. I was able to shop most of the Mugler collaboration that they had and the Paco Rabanne collaboration. I think there were a couple of things in that one that I wanted but I wasn't able to get. But I'm always busy, guys. I don't have any free time, and so from what they released, it said that this celebration would be available in store at their Regent Street store, and I just could not find the time to go in to have a look. But as I was looking at their Christmas collection, I noticed that they have a few things available online. For the most part, we've missed all the in-store dates. If you were like me and you didn't have a chance to get in store to shop this release, or if you didn't know about it and you're just finding out about it, they have some stuff available online, guys. They have some stuff available online. They have a few things from the Lanvin collab, the Balmain collab, the Marni collab. Quite a lot of it looks like it's sold out, but there are a few pieces that are available in very specific sizes if you wanted to still shop the collection. And also, guys, I'm thinking I might actually do a giveaway as part of this video. I do have the Moschino H&M earrings. I will put up some footage of them so you guys can see. They were square and they had embellishments in the middle. I've had these and I've never worn them. If anyone is interested in receiving these, then just put in the comments earrings, subscribe to my channel and my Instagram, and I will pick a winner and I'll send it to you guys, because I have never worn them, and to be honest, I don't really think that they're really speaking to me anymore. I'm not really sure how I would wear them now. So if these are earrings that you want, do all the things. I will put in the description all of the things that you need to do and I'll get them sent to you. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.